Hello student, myself Mariam Jawadwala, Assistant Professor working for Department of Information Technology. In today's video lecture, I am going to explain you Introduction to Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum during 1985 to 1990. Python language is open source, means anybody can freely download it from the site www.python.org. Python is a programming language that combines the features of C and Java both. Means if you know about C and Java, both of the language, then I can say Python is much easier than C and Java, and it's combined the features of C and Java. So in Java, if you want to write a program to add two number, so this is the line of code to add two number, right? To add to number, you need to create at least one class, because Java is pure object oriented language. Every code you write, you need to write inside the class itself, right? So in the class, you declare public static void main, you declare two variable a and b, assign the value, and then you find out the summation of the value a plus b. This is the simple Java code for add two numbers. Likewise, same program, suppose you want in C language, then this is the line of code. As you already know, C is a procedure level language, right? And Java is a pure object oriented language. So same program to add two number a plus b. This is the line of code in C, right? In void main, I declare two variable, assign the value, and then printf statement to display a plus b. So what happened nowadays? Programmer wants C style of coding and Java style of object orientation. So answer is Python language. Means Python combine the features of C and Java both. So this is the line of code to add two number in Python. So only two lines of code here. I declare a equals to b equals to 10, means variable declaration as well as the value assignment. And I write print sum is equals to a plus b. So I can say Python code is easy to understand and develop, and Python language is just like your English language syntax. Now we will discuss about some of the features of Python, right? So first feature is it's very simple language, is easy to learn. Python language is open source, is a high level language. It's a dynamically typed, is platform independent. Python is portable. It's a procedure and object oriented, a mixture of both. And Python is interpreted, means Python compiler translates the source code into bytecode, and then this bytecode is processed by PVM. PVM is nothing but Python virtual machine, is an interpreter for the Python. Next feature is Python is extensible, means the code of programs written into C or C++ can be integrated into Python and executed using PVM. There are other flavor of Python to integrate other language like JPython, IronPython, etc. One more feature is huge library. Python has a huge library. Python is a scripting language. It supports database connectivity. Major database like Oracle, Sybase, and MySQL is supported by the database. Python is a scalable language. Python program can run on any platform and use the advantage of other platform as well. Python includes some of the packages like NumPy, Pandas, and more package. You can visit https www.pythonanywhere.com. Now, these are the steps of execution of the Python program, how the memory management is done in Python, the difference between C and Python language in a tabular manner, and comparison between Java and Python, right? So first I will explain you to check whether the Python is installed on your system or not, right? So how we can check it, okay? Wait, I'm sharing the screen. Right. Just go to CMD here. Right, CMD, type command prompt and just write Python. If you write Python, it will give you the version. I installed Python 3.8.0, right? So Python is installed in your system, right? Now, how you can write a program in Python? I will show you, right? To add to number, right? I'm using one editor for that. That is Notepad++, right? Start Notepad++ here, and I will show you one store program. I already write the line of code for that. That is 1.py, right? This is Python variable, say 3.py, 2.py, this one. This is the first program to add two numbers in Python. I just declare variable a equals to 10, b is equals to 15, c is equals to a plus b, and print sum is equals to sum, comma, c. This is a simple program to add two number, right? So you need to save this program using .py extension. I store this program in Python SDP and name of the program is 2.py. Now see how to run this program. First, write Control Z here. Python folder is there in Python D drive Python. Right, my name of the program is 1.py, so I can compile the program and run the program using Python 1.py, right? Sorry, it's 3.py. Okay, that will give you the summation 2.py. That will giving me the summation of two number, right? And same program I can run using just write 2.py. No need to write Python as well, right? That will display the sum. This is a simple Python program. Okay.